This is my new Donner ukulele. So this is obviously the case that comes with it. It actually comes with a ton of extra goodies to get you going on it. So great for a beginner. The material on it itself is a carbon fiber, so very sturdy. Here's just a quick look at the tuner that comes with it. So you're just going to clip that onto the frets and you can tune it away to have your sound great. And then we've also got some extra strings, which are excellent. Oftentimes when you're playing or tuning, you'll have those break and you just want to freshen them up. Some picks also come with it. And then there's a little instruction manual for labeling kind of different areas on it and how to learn. And then a strap for the case there. Great if you're toting it around. And I cannot get over the color of it, this very vibrant looking blue. And the shape of it is kind of more, almost looks like an electric guitar. And then there also is a playing strap on it as well. So you're just going to place it on it. Basically, it's got a kind of cut hole into the leather. Place that on there, and then you're going to want to tie it at the top of the frets on there. Very professional looking, but also sounding. They do have some other color options, and the body material of this is actually supposed to be able to withstand a bunch of different temperatures. So if you're playing it in a hot or cooler environment, it can be placed in areas up to about negative 20 degrees, as well as up to 60 degrees. So it can even adapt to desert areas if you live somewhere super hot. And then I'm just trying it out, kind of playing it. I'm not going to wreck this sound with you guys. I am not very good. I'm still learning, so I'm not going to play any actual songs, but just trying out a couple little songs here. But strums great, sounds good as well. The straps fit great. You can adjust them. You could potentially just wear one strap as well. Looks very cool and sits in a great place. I'm so happy with this. I'm really excited to learn how to play a new instrument. I love the sound of ukuleles. I think it's just so pretty, and this one definitely sounds great. Check it out.